Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about what are the various units of measurements and how do we convert one unit from one unit of measurement to the another. Okay, let's begin with the first unit of measurement. Let's length. So how do we define length? Length is distance between 2 points. So when we say that this a string say AB is 10 meter long, so what it means, the distance between from one end of string, which say denoted by A, and to the second end of the string is 10 meter. Or if I say the distance between the building and a person standing is say 5 kilometer. So it is nothing but the length is nothing but the distance between these 2 points. Okay. So what are the various units to measure the length? So there are several units of measuring the length, but we restrict ourselves to these 4 units. Okay, so kilometer, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Kilometer we can denote in short form as km, meters denoted by m, centimeters denoted by cm, and millimeters by mm. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meters. Okay, so this is the relationship between these kilometer and meters. Similarly, we have relationship between meter and centimeter. Like 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so suppose if I ask you like convert 7 kilometer into millimeters. So we want to know 7 kilometers is equal to how many millimeters. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn in this video. So this is how we work. As I told you earlier, 1 kilometer is equal to millimeter, 1000 meter. Okay, so if we want to convert from kilometer to meter, it means we multiply the term by 100. Okay, now if we want to convert any quantity from meter to centimeter, we multiply it by 100. Similarly, if we want to convert any term from centimeter to millimeter, we multiply it by 10. So we move from left to right, left to right. So for instance, if I say convert 7 kilometer into say centimeter, we want to know 7 kilometer is how many centimeters. So what we will do? 7. So we write the same number 7 multiply by kilometers. So we are here. We are at this point kilometer. Where we want to reach? We want to reach to centimeter. So how we will reach there? So first you have to reach from kilometer to meter. How we will reach there? By multiplying by 1000. Now from meter to centimeter. How you will reach? By multiplying by 100. So this gives you 7. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 kilometer is equal to 7 lakh centimeter. Clear? Let's take the second example. If I ask say 5.26 meter is equivalent to how many centimeter? So in this case, we are at meters. We are here and we want to reach to centimeter. So as usual, we write the same number, like we write 5.26. Okay, and we are at meter, we want to reach centimeter. So let's see. So we write 5.26. So move from meter to centimeter, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 100. Now since it's a decimal number, what will happen whenever we multiply by 10 or a power of a 10, like 100, 1000, 10,000, the decimal moves to the right side. So what will happen? It is 5 to 6, and we will see where we will put this decimal point. So this decimal point is here, and how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So this decimal point move 2 units towards the right. So it will reach here. Okay, so we write 526 and point 0, or you can simply write 526. So what we get the answer? 5.26 meter is same as 526 centimeter. Let's take another example to make it more clear. Say 3.675. We want to know 3.675 kilometer is equivalent to how many millimeters? Okay, so we are at kilometers, we want to reach to millimeters. So we have to follow this way. We first go to meter, centimeter, and then we reach to millimeter. So as usual, what we do, we write our number 3.675. Then moving from kilometer to meter, what we have to do, we have to multiply by 1000, this number. Then moving from meter to centimeter, what we'll do, we multiply by 100. And moving from centimeter to millimeter, what we will do, we multiply by 10. So what we get here, 3.675 times, how many zeros are there? 6. 5, 6. So it means this decimal point will move 6 digits towards the right side, but we have only 3. So how do we work in this case? So what we write 3, now 6, 7, 5. We already have 3, so it's respective for this 3. Now we need another 3. Since we don't have any more numbers left here, so we use zeros in place of it. Remember, we can use only 0, no other number. So now if we count, the point was here and it moved. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes here. So now we get 3.675 kilometer as 3675000.0 millimeter. It's optional to write this decimal. Okay, this 0.0. You can also write it as 3675000 millimeter. Okay, now let's see some examples when we are converting from higher unit to the lower unit to the higher unit. Like suppose you have given to convert, say, 7600 millimeter is equivalent to how many meters? So in this case, what you will do, when we are moving from higher unit to lower unit, we were multiplying by 1000, by 100 or 10. But when we are moving from higher unit to the lower unit to the higher unit, we divide. In that case, we divide by the same quantities, like from millimeter to centimeter. When we move, we divide by 10. When we move from centimeter to meter, we divide by 100. And when we move from meter to kilometer, we divide by 1000. So let's see this example. We have 7600 millimeter or 7600 millimeter. We want to know how many meters it is. So from millimeter, we need to reach meters. So it means we have to go through centimeter. And then from centimeter only, we will reach to meters. So we adopt the same procedure, 7600, and then divided by, from millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide by 10. Then again, from centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. So when we write, we can write it as 7600. Divide means the term comes in denominator 1. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we can cancel the zeros. So we get 76 over 10. Now in this case, when you have division by 10 or 100 or thousands in of any number, in that case you move the decimal from right to left. So at present, as you see, there is no decimal point. It means the decimal point is after 6. So you have to move one place towards the left because there is only 1 0. So it becomes 7.6 meter. So your answer becomes 7,600 millimeter is equal to 7.6 meters. Okay, so don't get confused. Whenever you are multiplying by 10 or power of 10, you move from left to right. But whenever you divide, you move from right to left for the decimal now, for the decimal. Okay, so let's take another example. Say 2360 centimeter, and we want to convert it into kilometers. So what you will do? First write the same number 2360 divided by, you are at centimeter, you want to reach to kilometers. So you have to divide by 100 first and then divide by 1000. So it gives you 2360 divided by 1. How many zeros are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this gives you. Now, as I said, you have to move the decimal point. It's here. And you see only 4 numbers over here. So what you can do, you can write 2, 3, 6, 0. These are 4. And fifth one, you can replace by 0. Remember, you can always replace by 0 only, not any other thing. And then you put the decimal point here. So you move 5 digits, 5 places towards the left. Like here, we added 0 at the end. Here, we have to add 0 at the beginning. So this gives you 2360 centimeter equal to 0.02360 kilometer. Okay, I hope it's clear now.